Hi, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been filming for a few days now because I just got my booster shot, so I was having light fever for a day or two, but I'm all good now and ready to continue doing the bag review or unboxing videos. So today I have this just came from Ted Baker. I thought I wasn't going to buy more bags, but you know, with Black Friday sales going on, it's hard to resist, doesn't it? So previously, I bought this from Ted Baker. Not sure you are familiar with this. I really like the look of this. It's almost look like a briefcase. If you want me to review this bag, let me know in the comment and I'll find time to film another one. So this is actually the very first bag I wanted from Ted Baker. It's not their most expensive bag, but it's a tote bag. And if you are familiar with my channel, you know I love totes. So pretty big box. And inside the box, they put in this plastic bag. Sorry for the noise. So here is the tote bag. I guess unlike the packaging from Tote that you can just tear it off, this one I think I will have to cut off later on. But this is a Croc embossed faux leather tote bag. I just love how structured and how simple and stylish this tote from Ted Baker. They have many different kind of faux leather tote bag, and I have been always wanting to try one. So with the sales going on, the Black Friday sale, so I decided to just get one and see if I like it. Also, since I recently bought a few from Telfar, and the faux leather of their bags is not the best quality, I have to say. So I'm interested to learn more about faux leather and try out other faux leather bags and see if the bag holds up better, because maybe it's common that how fast the faux leather wear down, but I would like to test it out and try out the things before come to the conclusion. They don't have any logo at the back. And this is the side. So inside the bag, it doesn't have any magnetic closure or zipper closure, but it does have a zipper pocket, a little pouch here. It's not very big size. Probably can fit my wallet. Not sure about my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have to try it out later on. But the zipper feels smooth and nice. And inside the bag, it seems it has this lining that probably some kind of cotton polyester mix lining. Yep, it's very straightforward and structured tote, but I like how it looks. So maybe I can use it when I go do grocery shopping, but maybe it's too much. It's kind of a bit shiny, but well, maybe I'll use it when I go to shop at the outlets. It's a good size tote. If you like to have a big size tote to carry your daily stuff for work, I think this would be pretty good. And since it's a faux leather, so it's pretty lightweight, so shouldn't be too heavy if you carry a lot of stuff. And I'll try to use it and then update you how about the wear and tear. We'll see if this actually hold up better and last longer compared to Telfar's faux leather shopper bags. So they have this tag logo embossed on the front. So this is how big the size is. I'm 5'9" and carry on my shoulder will look like that. I think it will match up quite well with my fall winter outfit. Strap doesn't seem to stay very well on my shoulder though. Maybe my sweater is too slippery, but yeah. Let me know what you think. Have you any faux leather tote from Ted Baker? Thanks for stopping by, and I'll talk to you again soon.